Have you heard you can change your location with a VPN? But what does it actually mean, and how can it help you bypass censorship or access block content? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step on both PC and mobile.
VPN blocking reasons.
First, why do websites or services block VPNs in the first place? Here are a few common reasons.
Some governments block content for censorship. Streaming platforms limit access based on your location. Workplaces or schools block sites to keep you focused.
Some websites want to protect copyrighted content. Others just want to stop people from getting in without permission. The good news, a good VPN can bypass all of these if you know how to use it properly.
Technical bypass.
To bypass VPN blocks, use stealth features that hide your VPN traffic. Look for stealth VPN modes that make it look like normal internet use. Obfuscation to trick firewalls. DPI evasion to bypass deep packet inspection. Special tunneling protocols like Lightway, ExpressVPN, or NordVPN. Switching servers or countries if one doesn't work. These tools help you stay hidden and access blocked content easily.
How to change your location on a PC.
Here's how to actually change your location with a VPN and bypass blocks step by step. Start with a reliable VPN. Services like ExpressVPN or NordVPN are great examples. The best deals on these VPNs by checking the description below or scanning the QR code on your screen. Alright, let's see how to change your location on a PC. I'll show you using NordVPN, but the steps are similar for most VPNs.
It works great on both Windows and macOS.
First, download and install NordVPN from their official website. Log in and open the app. Hit Quick Connect to automatically connect or manually pick a country from the map. If you run into blocks, go to Settings and turn on obfuscated servers. Step 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to avoid location leaks. Step 3. Open the VPN and pick a server in the country you want to appear in. Step 4. Turn on stealth features like Lightway with obfuscation in ExpressVPN or NordLynx with obfuscated servers in NordVPN. Step 5. Connect and check a site like whatismyipaddress.com
to confirm your new virtual location. Why I Choose NordVPN.
NordVPN gives you access to 7,700 plus servers in 118 countries.
It offers some of the fastest speeds available. Plus, you're protected with top-tier encryption, ad blocking, and malware detection.
They use RAM on the service, which means no saved data, and they have an audited no-logs policy, great for people who care about privacy.
How to change your location on a mobile.
Now, let's switch over to mobile. I'll show you how to do it with ExpressVPN, which is my top pick for phones.
Scan the QR code to get the best deal, sign up, and get the app.
Just tap to connect or manually choose your country. If needed, stealth mode obfuscation is built in and turns on automatically in restricted regions. Thanks to Lightway ExpressVPN special tunneling protocol, your connection stays fast, secure, and super reliable even in places with heavy censorship.
Why I use ExpressVPN on mobile.
So, why do I prefer ExpressVPN especially for mobile and travel?
Super fast speeds with Lightway protocol. No logs policy with RAM only servers. 105 plus countries for global access. Built-in tracker blocker and AES 256 encryption.
Plus, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free to try.
Conclusion.
And that's it. Changing your location with a VPN is easier than ever. And now you know how to bypass VPN blocks like a pro. Use stealth features,
switch between server locations,
get around streaming, censorship, and firewalls, and stay private and secure every time you go online. Want to give it a try? Grab special discounts on NordVPN and ExpressVPN using the links or QR codes below. Both come with a 30-day
money-back guarantee.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe and free online.